Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to create Valorant account on your device. In order to create a Valorant account, you need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. So then to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. As for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. After you open up a web browser on the web address bar, you'll need to type in or paste in the link, that is www.playvalorant.com. I'll make sure to drop a link on the description box below as well. Now this is going to take you to the official web page of Valorant, and it's going to take some time in order to load, so you'll need to wait for some time. Now as soon as it loads, now this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to begin with, click on play free, and now you'll be able to see two different options, that is either to create an account or to sign in into your account. Since you're creating an account, so click on make one in the left hand side bottom. So then to create an account, you can either sign up using your email, Facebook, Google account, Apple account, or your Xbox. So you can select either one of these options, but for this video I'm gonna go with the email address. The age verification, you need to enter in your date of birth. Once you're done, click on this arrow icon right at the bottom. You also need to create a username, so create the username according to you. Creating an account, you must also create a password, so make sure to create the password according to the criteria mentioned below. The account has been created. What you need to do is you need to verify email. So for that, you need to open up a new tab and then log in into your Gmail account. You'll be able to see a verification email, so open it up and then verify your account. As you can see right on top, this is the particular email that I was talking about earlier. Now you need to verify it, otherwise, and as soon as you've done that, you've successfully verified your account. In this way, you can verify as well as that you've successfully created your Valorant account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.